wasting quality camera time. There we go. Welcome back, Van here, and my unit's bigger than yours. My unit is surprisingly smaller.
About as small as these pickled quail eggs we're going to have in today's video, man.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Van's World. Man's World Reviews.
It's called Man's World because
I don't even know what to do.
that's our names fused together, not because we're chauvinist pigs. So don't comment about us being that way because we don't. We appreciate women.
I love them. My wife.
Just one.
Yeah, just one. I'm a one gal guy. Anyways, this is 7 Farms pickled jalapeno quail eggs. And I saw these when I was going through Walmart, and I was intrigued because I like pickled quail eggs. And these things, I'm telling you what, look at all that stuff in there, man. All the carrots and garlic and jalapeno peppers and I don't know what all, dude. It's probably got some, what do you think that is down there, man? The seeds from the jalapenos? I don't know.
Quail poop.
Quail poop. Definitely quail poop in here today.
Speaking of great, hey, you guys remember to check out the past video we did. It's Munchies, the Buffalo kosher dill chips, and we did pickle shots.
Pickle shots.
Pickle shots were surprisingly delicious. I mean, for Van, I knew they were going to be delicious because I love pickles, but
I was scared.
They're good. They're good for certain things, and if you want to check those out and find out what those things are, go click on that video.
Yeah, I can't wait to get into this, Matt. So the reason why we do this video is so when you do like I did, and you walk through Walmart or wherever the grocery store is you're shopping at, and you see something that you might like or you're curious about, you can get online and look up our channel and see if we've done a review. And if there's something you would like for us to review, leave it in the comment section down below, and we'll try our best.
We'll get it. Try
to do it.
Yeah. You know, because I know I go through sometimes and I see things like, man, I wonder what those taste like.
Yeah.
But I don't want to spend the money on it because I don't want to waste money on something I don't like. And we just made the money, so we'll waste all kinds of money trying to figure out for y'all because we love y'all.
Let's do it, dude.
Let's do it. I'm excited.
Listen.
I've had pickled quail eggs before, not jalapeno one.
Let's listen to it.
Ooh. That's the sound my butt's gonna make after eating these.
Look at that.
Let me. What we got here? Let me.
Man, will you send me a picture of that later on?
Me on the toilet?
No, what your butt's gonna look like. Oh, you said it's gonna sound like that, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, smell that. That smells so good.
Man, I want to tell you something.
Okay.
I bought some pickled quail eggs one time, and I didn't think they would go bad sitting in the cabinet.
Unopened?
Opened.
Oh.
I didn't know you had to refrigerate them because when I used to play golf, they'd have pickled eggs on the counter right there, you know, all hot and everything. So I got these pickled quail eggs out and I brought them to work, and I took a bite of one, and it was bad. And that smell got stuck on my mustache, and I had to smell that all day long. It was horrible. I hope I don't have...
So I'll ask you a question. Do we eat an egg by itself and then the egg with a jalapeno on it? Or do we eat an egg with a jalapeno on it off the bat?
Let's put an egg on our napkin.
Okay.
And get us some jalapeno, and if we can get a carrot in there.
Well, I'd like to do both of them.
Yeah, let's do both of them. We'll eat the quail egg and then
let's get a carrot and a
chase
jalapeno.
It with a jalapeno.
This little carrot and jalapeno?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right, let's do the quail egg first and then the quail egg and the jalapeno.
Okay.
Let's just get the flavor of the quail egg by itself.
So you want to do a quail egg and then...
Yeah. And then a jalapeno. Yeah.
Look at the color of them.
I know.
They're not even white.
No, they're orange color.
I like it.
I guess I want the orange from the carrot, I guess.
Something colored it.
Right.
You want to do that? Oh, yeah.
That is surprise. Your texture okay?
It's got the good rubbery texture on the outside.
On the outside, but I think it's mushy on the inside.
Yeah.
Where yolks are.
When you bite into it, it pops kind of like in your mouth there.
Yeah. Now don't get me wrong. Pickled eggs, pickled quail, any kind of pickled egg is going to taste about the same.
Yeah.
I mean, the eggs are pretty much the same across the board when it comes to texture.
Right.
But I do think that with these quail eggs, they're a little bit less dense. The yolks are. They're not as coarse after you boil them like most eggs are.
They're different, but they're good.
That's delicious. Oh man, let me get this.
I'm gonna do both of them at the same time.
Yeah, right. I was gonna just hit it.
Eat it.
Right.
Hallelujah. Amen, brother. My yolk is really running.
Is it?
Kind of, sort of.
It feels that way, right? Why is it when you put jalapenos in vinegar, the heat just goes, it's gone? Like when you get pickled jalapenos on nachos or something like at the ball game, those jalapenos aren't hot.
Church's Chicken and Popeyes got the pickled jalapenos that you can buy.
Yeah?
They're like $1 a piece.
Are they hot? They're not hot.
No, they're not hot. They're just like a pickled jalapeno with no heat. I don't know what it does.
Going in for another one, that was good.
But I don't know how they pickle them. I guess they'd have to get the juice up hot, right, before they could can it.
I guess.
Like this juice, I'm sure it was hot before they canned it.
Oh man, that's good.
Probably put hot pickled quail eggs in there with fresh jalapenos and hot vinegar maybe, so that it would seal up and do its thing.
Serving size is about 3 eggs, okay? Now keep that. There's 2 grams of protein in 3 eggs.
Right.
There's no sugar, there's no fiber, no carbohydrates. There's only 240 milligrams of sodium in 3 eggs.
Oh, that's not bad.
No fat, no saturated fat. No trans fat, no saturated fat. There's 15 grams of fat and only 25 calories in 3 eggs.
What about cholesterol?
60 milligrams.
I was just wondering because of the yolk. You know,
Yeah.
cholesterol in it.
Get back in here, man. There's a couple more.
Let's open one up and see what it looks
You want
like.
to cut it open?
I mean, you know, take a bite into it or something. Let's see the yolk from one.
I mean, it's a yolk. Notice the color's changed. Yeah, how it's sucked in there? Mm-hmm. It's I don't know how long they pickle them for, but the color is orange inside the egg, so it's soaked in through the egg white.
It's been pickled for a while.
Yeah.
This has got a really good date on it, March of 2022. So it should last for a pretty good while.
Yeah,
I think you need to refrigerate them though.
Yeah, but if you don't open them, just have them on non-open. Just have them on shelf. They'll last for 2 years.
Right. But if you open them, unless you want to find out what I did, it's nasty.
Don't do that. Don't do that. My goodness. But yeah, man, those are good. I'm happy with these. I would eat this whole jar. I don't know if in one sitting, but
no, I believe I could go back and snack on it at least once a day. I believe the snackability is there to give you exactly what you need out of a serving size. And not overdo it. I believe if it fills that need after 3 eggs, because I'm good after just 2. Really, I could eat that 3rd one, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna let Matt take them home with him. How about that?
That's a sweetheart. But yeah, man, these are good. If you guys thought about, if you like pickled eggs, okay, let's go ahead and we'll have to go ahead and say pickled eggs. Don't, if you've never had pickled eggs, just eat a regular pickled egg first. Don't try to go all crazy and get quail eggs, because I'm telling you, the quail egg, the egg yolk, the consistency of this yolk is different from regular chicken eggs.
It really is different. The color of a regular chicken pickled egg is different on the inside.
Yep.
It's all the way through too. It doesn't have the same color as this. Well, you know, some of them, I won't take that back. It depends on who you get it from. Penrose, different color than what you get if it's pickled in white vinegar, like they have at Walmart. And
What
I
does
need to
Penrose
get that.
What does Penrose pickle? What kind of vinegar? Everything's red when it comes to Penrose.
It's just something they put in there. It might be some kind of dye. I'm not sure.
Like red dye number 3, red dye number 3, or something.
I have no idea.
These are good. I approve of these.
Definitely.
I approve of those. Yeah, this is definitely something you should try.
If you hadn't seen the video from yesterday, check that out in the playlist, Man's World playlist.
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Leave a comment too.
Ding, ding, ding. Make sure, be nice though.
Yeah, tell us what you want us to try.
We're sensitive over here in Man's World.
We'll try our best to be sensitive. Less.
Yeah, I'll try, but you know, it's hard.
That's a sensitive guy.
I got a big heart. A big heart that's probably got some kind of bacon something.
It's 3 sizes too big.
Yeah.
He's like the Grinch.
I got an enlarged heart.
Yeah, he's like the Grinch.
So I'm 10 times more likely to have it broken if you're mean to me. Anyways, y'all come back, see us, okay? We got to get on. We got other stuff to do, man. We're busy, man. We got things to do. Acting like there's a pandemic out there and we ain't got to go to work.
I got to cut the grass.
What? Can't believe it. I can't. Why are we not cutting grass right now?
We're doing videos for you.
Yeah, we could. Our yard looks like crap because we'd rather be in here
trying some nasty stuff sometimes.
Yeah, just for your pleasure. Oh my God!
Find it in the playlist.
You ain't gonna eat nothing we eat. You're just gonna watch us eat it.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I thought you were flipping them off.
I'm gonna do like a little boy in the
Bye, little guys. You're gonna be a man like those real little boys.
Y'all have a good one now. Yeah, thanks for watching, and you come back.
You hear?
You.